Check out this Ram 2020 3500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bright white clear coat, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, selective catalytic reduction, urea, dual 730 amp maintenance-free batteries Cummins turbo diesel badge heavy-duty engine cooling supplemental heater gross vehicle weight, 12,300 pounds current generation engine controller diesel exhaust brake capless fuel fill with O discriminator, chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper chrome grille surround matte black mesh with chrome grille bright front bumper, radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display included, Google Android Auto Sirius XM radio service Sirius XM satellite radio integrated center stack radio. For more info call 800-643-2112. 8.4 touchscreen display Apple CarPlay, rear wheelhouse liners,